Get started. Hi guys, welcome back. You want to make a pillow cover and you only have scraps of fabric? No problem. Let's do it. I am going to go ahead and pick out the pieces of fabric I want to use from this pile. And then we are going to make a pillow cover together. Pillow is done. Let me know what you think. Now, if you notice, I did some triangular blocks, and I did that because to me it creates more interest across the pillow other than just having a block of plain fabric and a block of printed fabric at the bottom, right? And so yeah, that is why I went ahead and I did the triangles, stitched all the triangles, stitched the rectangles together, and yeah, created a lovely pillow, I think. Let me know what you think. Remember to, by the way, just to mention to you, these pieces of fabric I bought at IKEA, right? It's from the As-Is department. I like to go to the As-Is department in IKEA. I like to go to those baskets of leftover fabrics in Fabricland. I like to shop for fabric in Restore, even in the thrift store, guys. So those are some of the places that I hunt for deals that I can use to do projects to share with you guys. Thank you so much again for being here. Please remember now, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.